What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you be changing out your windshield wipers on a 2015 to about the 2020 Ford F-150. It's a pretty simple job. I do is just pretty much pick up your wipers like that. You'll see this part right here. Some of them may have like a little part right here you just pop up first before you can take it off. But on most of them, all you gotta do is just reach up underneath here. There's a little button right here. You just press that button in or press it up toward the sky. And then once you press that button up, all you got to do is just pull down on your windshield wiper just like that, and it'll be out. I'm going to show you right here. This button right here is what I pressed up on. You see that little piece right here? Hold on. This little piece right here above my thumbnail, you just pressing up on that like that. And when you press that up, your windshield wiper will come loose. You'll be able to slide it down. And you're putting it back on, you can do the same thing. Make sure the little piece right here is facing down. And all you got to do is just come up to your windshield wiper, take it up underneath there like that. And then once you get it straight, just slide up. You'll hear like a clicking sound. Like that pretty much, and you'll be good. Then go and put your windshield wiper back down, and you pretty much will be done. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wiper on about a 2015 to about the 2020 Ford F-150. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.